Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, doing well and enjoying the best condition of health. Dear friends, I will show you beautiful evening dresses, party wear dresses, wedding dresses. All dresses are very beautiful, stylish, stunning. I hope you like it. Friends, very beautiful dresses. All dresses designs for women, ladies and girls. Very stylish. Friends, evening dresses are the epitome of elegance and style. They're designed to make you stand out and feel like a queen at any special occasion. From floor length gowns to chic cocktail dresses, there is a wide variety of options to choose from. Imagine yourself in a stunning red gown, the color of passion and confidence. As you walk into the room, all eyes are on you, captivated by your radiant beauty. If you prefer more classic look, a little black dress is always a timeless choice. Very beautiful new designs, classic look. Friends, the soft stuff. If you are feeling bold and modern, a jumpsuit is fashion forward option. No matter what style you chooses, the key is to find a dress that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Evening dresses are all about that elegance and style. Friends, it's a new channel. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video all family members, friends. I hope you like it. Friend, thank you watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.